Good morning, students. See, today we will start our new exercise, exercise 4D. So, see what is the first question given here. Write the next 4 rows of each of the following patterns. See, question number first. Here it is given 1 into 9 plus 2 is equal to 1 into 9, that is 10. 1 into 9, that is 9 plus 2 is equal to 11. Now see second one, 12 into 9 plus 3, that is plus 3 is equal to 111. Now see next 123. It means see here they are increasing one number. Here 1 is given, here 1 2, here 1 2 3 into 9 plus here 4 is equal to, when you are multiplying this, then adding 123 multiply by 9, that is remainder 2, 9 to the 18 plus 2 20, remainder 2, 9 1 is 9 plus 2 11, 1107 plus 4, that is 1111. Now see here, after solving these 3 questions, what you have seen here, see here 1, here 1 2, here 1 2 3, here 9, it is remaining the same, here 2, here 3, here 4. It means 1 2 3 4. In the next step what you have to take, 1 2 3 4 into 9 plus here 5 is equal to 1 1 1 1 1. That is already given here. So now see here, here also one number is increasing. Here 11, then you have 111, 1111. Now see 1 lakh 1111. Now see here one more number you have to increase, 1 2 3 4 5 into 9 plus 6 is equal to 1 1 1 1 1 1. 1 2 3 4 5 6 times you have to write 1 here. Now see up to 4 it is given in the textbook. After that one, what they have asked, you have to write the 4 more rows. It means 1 is that 1 2 3 4 5 6 into 9 plus 7 is equal to 1 1 1 1 1 1. 6 times again 7. Now see 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 into 9 plus 8 is equal to 1 1 1 1 1 1 8. Now one more you have to write, because they have asked of 4 numbers, 4 rows, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 into 9 plus 9 is equal to 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1. That is your 4 rows of the next step. Now see question number B. See when you are multiplying this 1 2 3 4 5 multiply by 9 plus 6, you will get the same answer here. So try to solve. Now see next question B. In this say 9 into 9 plus 7 is equal to 88. See 9 multiply by 9, 9 9s are 81 plus 7, that is 88. Now see second 9 8. It means here they are again they are taking decreasing number. It means 8 into 9 plus here again less than 7, which number, that is 6 is equal to what they have written here, 888. Now see we will try to solve this. 98 in multiply by 9, 72, remainder 7, 9 9s are 81, 81 plus 7, that is 88, 882 plus 6. What is the answer we got here? 888. Now see again here 987 multiply by 9 plus 5 is equal to 8888. Now here 9876 multiply by 9 plus 4 is equal to 88888. See first of all you try to multiply it in your rough copy, then write your answer here. Now see, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5 multiply by 9 plus 3 is equal to 8, 8, 8, 8, 8, 8. Up to where it is given here? Up to here it is given. You have to write the next 4 steps. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4 multiply by 9 plus 2 is equal to 8, 8, 8, 8. Now see, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3 multiply by 9 plus 1 is equal to okay. Now see, question number 2. Observe the pattern of the squares made with matchsticks and then complete the table that follows. Question number 1 that you have to write in your notebook. Observe the pattern of squares made with the matchsticks and then complete the table that follows. See in second column, that is one table is given here. See, observe that is a matchstick. Here is the matchstick. Here is the matchstick. Okay, here. Now see, this is one square. One square. And how many matchsticks are there? 1, 2, 3 and 4. It means in one square how many matchsticks are there? In one square, number of matchsticks is equal to 4. Okay. Then in 2 square, obviously it will be number of matchsticks will be number of matchsticks is equal to 2 into 4, that is 8. Okay. Then in 3 square, that is 3 into 4 will be 12. Okay. Now see, in the given table, number of square or number of matchsticks. See now, number of square 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. Now see, in number of square 1, in one square how many matchsticks are there? 4. In 2, 8. In 3, 12. Then 4, what you have to do? 4 multiply by 4, that is 16. Then in 5, 20. In 6, 24. In 7, 28. 32 and 36. Now how? See, up to there I have explained you. In 3 it is 12. Then if you have to find of 4, just multiply by 4, it will become 16. If you have to find of 5 squares, number of matchsticks, 5 into 5 is equal to 20, 5 into 4, that is 20. Then similarly for 6, multiply by 6, that you will get here 24, multiply by 7, 28, multiply by 8, 32, multiply by 9, 36. Now see, question number 3, observe the pattern of double square made with the matchsticks and then complete the table that follows. Now see, double square, it means, see question number 3, number of squares or number of matchsticks. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. sorry, before that which question we have solved, that is third one. Okay, now see, we will solve second question. Okay, in second question, see what is given here. In one square 4 numbers are, but in second square what they have made, wait. Okay, like this one square is given, then this is your second square. Now see, in one square there are number of matchsticks, that is 4, but in two squares 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. How many matchsticks are there in second one? That is 7. Now see, first of all you have to see that what is the difference between 4 and 7. 7 minus 4, that is 3. Here they are getting the difference of 3. It means in 3, when you are making of 3, it means you have to make matchsticks here. 1 2 3. So 5 6 7 8 9 10. So in 3 how many matchsticks are there? 10. See, remember this question number is second, and before that which question we have solved, that is third. By mistake I have solved question number 3 in place of question number 2. Now see this question. Again you have to make the matchsticks. Now count the number of 10. We have completed 10, 11, 12, 13. Here what we will get? 13. What is the difference we are getting? 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. It means we are getting the difference of 3 in between them. Now if you are getting here 13, it means when you are adding here 3, here you will get 16. When you are adding again here 3, you will get here 19. Again you are adding 3, 22, 25 and 28. Okay, see 4, 7, 10, 13, 16, 19, 22, 25 and 28. Here what you are adding here? 3. Why? Because you are getting the difference of 3 here. And when you are solving by this method, by making this matchsticks again and again, 12, 13, 14, 15. 13 you got here, 14, 15 and 16. That is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. In fifth square how many numbers of matchsticks you got here? 16. Now see, 17, 18, 19. Then in number of 6 squares, how many number of matchsticks you got here? 19. Okay, like this also you can solve it. Observe the pattern of triangles made with matchsticks and then complete the table. Data follows. Okay, now see, in question number 4, they have made a triangle with matchsticks. Then number of triangles and number of matchsticks. Okay. Now see number of triangles. In one triangle, how many matchsticks are there? In one triangle, 3. But in two triangles are given here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. In two triangles there are 7. Again you are getting the difference of 4 here. Then in 3 triangles, when you are finding the difference of 4, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, it means here you are getting 11. Here also you are getting the difference of 4. Then in 4 triangles, see like this also you can solve by making the directly matchsticks here. Already they have made here matchsticks up to 1, 5 triangles they have made already. 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. They have asked up to 9 triangles. Now see, again you have to take the difference of 4. It means add 4, it will become 15. Then add again 4, it will become 19, 23, 27, 31 and here you will get 35. Okay. Now see, I will explain by this method also. They have made there. For one triangle you got here 3 triangles, 3 matchsticks. For 2 triangles 7. Then 8, 9, 10, 11. This also you have to count. Now say, like this you can make the triangles and add the numbers, add the number of matchsticks. Okay. And by the way, this method is very easy. You can solve easily by this method, because in this you will get so many of confusions. So directly solve. See, up to 4 triangles, number of matchsticks are given there. So by this method you can easily find the difference in between 3 and 7. What is the difference here? 4. Then in 7 and 11, what is the difference? 4. Then 11 to 15, difference is 4. It means in the next step again you have to take the difference of 4. It means by in 15 and 19, what is the difference you are getting here? 4. So you have to add 4 here. See, this question you can write in your book only. Complete this in book. No need to write in your classwork copy. Just write question number first in notebook. And remember that I have solved by mistake this question number in place of question number second. I have solved question number 3. So be careful before solving. Okay. Okay. Thank you.